Hello, beautiful people out there. Welcome to Isimi Lagos. Today is the opening house of this fantastic city located right here in Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Frank Ilo, and this is one amazing video that I have been looking forward to making, updating investors and also prospective investors on the opportunity of securing a future here at Isimi Lagos. Just look at my right hand and my left hand. You have the latest model of Tesla. You know what Tesla means. Of course, we promised you that we're going to bring electric charging dock within this city, and today they are right here. Also, not just that alone, the opportunity for investors to enjoy world-class facilities within this estate, and also making a high return investment has always been one of those things in people's mind, and that is why I am here making this video for you to see the future of this location right now. So please keep watching this video as I take you around to show you all that will be happening here today at the open house experience in Isimi Lagos. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Frank Ilo, and this is Monsoor Properties YouTube channel. See you soon.
What Isimi would look like by 2030. So different elements which come into play as we progress in the project and the construction of the project. But these are all features that we would see when we complete Isimi in a few years. So this is the layout. In this layout, you can see this is the gatehouse. This is where we are. Right now, we have the dredger out there that is going to continue work and start dredging to pump sand for us to begin the infrastructure. So the idea is that we will start with the road, the central road that will go all the way down to the water. That would be going on simultaneously as the dredger is working. And then the next phase would be that the dredger would sand fill the polo field, and then the recreational area, which is around here. The recreational area would have the pool, the Olympic size pool, the tennis court, the polo field, and then some buildings. So we have like a shopping mall that would have a spa, would have a cafeteria, and other things that will come up in the next 12 to 18 months. So the plan is by 2026, 2024, 2025, 2026, we would have gotten to the water, the road all the way, and then we'll have, in the next 12 to 18 months, we'll have all the recreational done, especially the polo field, because we're planning to have a game, the Lagos Polo game, to come here to do to their next tournament, which is next year. So that's the plan we have. The tournament is usually in February of each year. We just did one in Korea. So this is the plan for Isimi. We just wanted to bring everyone here to celebrate the first building of Isimi, official building. And as we do the road, we will begin to do the access spots to the area. So you see here we have Origin One, we have Emergence. So clients who want to start building will begin to have access to their plots. So that's the plan in the next 2 years, and then we begin to, after 2 years, we'll roll out another plan of the next phases of what we would achieve. So we thank you everyone for supporting the dream, because without realtors who believed in the dream and the concept of the Isimi, when we launched it, we won't be able to even get to this point. So we want to appreciate you for all of the effort that you've put in to bring your clients to subscribe, and we're really excited for the next phase. Now the real work has started. All of the work that we've been doing has been preliminary. The you know the Yeah, so the it took us about a year, more than a year, a bit about a year to do this layout, and then we've been doing a lot of the preliminary work to get us to this point. And I also wanted to point out where standing right there at the edge where the marina is. Um, the airport is actually right across the water. The new airport that they have just announced is right across the water. If you go across that water, 5 10 minutes, you'll be at the airport. So Isimi is in a strategic location, and I think it's a unique selling point for clients who are looking to subscribe into Isimi. You don't have to drive all the way to Keja to get a flight out. So it's very strategic that we have positioned this project here, and all of the activities that is happening along the expressway also will come, together when Isimi is fully developed.
This is the Welcome Center right inside Isimi Lagos. And here I am standing is the gallery. This gallery shows all the experience and lifestyle that investors, subscribers, property owners within Isimi Lagos will be enjoying. For example, I can see raise a glass of wine to your loved one from your home, eco-friendly transportation, a picturesque view of the lake right from the porch of your living room. Now, the future of co-working. Of course, that is one of the experiences investors or subscribers or tenants that will be staying in those short let apartments that you are going to be building within Isimi Lagos will be experiencing. Also, the park, the game for the kings, of which we know that the Polo game is one of those games that are being said to be the game of the king. And I also want to look at enhanced by technology. Yes, Isimi Lagos will be powered by technology, and this technology is going to drive majority of the activities within this estate. Let me also have another view of the frames here, and it says simple pleasure of life. Yes, there's so much to be enjoyed here, from being able to go to the farm, to the local farm, and pick crops or plants or vegetables directly from the farm right into your kitchen. This is a healthy lifestyle for many people, and of course for you, our subscribers. Also, looking closely, I can see a family picnic here. Adopt pace of nature. These are some of the many experiences that is available here within Isimi and also available to you when you subscribe here at Isimi Lagos. Another section of this gallery that I wanted you to see is where I'm standing right now. This is just some of the experiences we have already had in Isimi Lagos. Not just the pictorial view of what the future is going to be in Isimi Lagos. What you see on this part of the gallery is the experiences we have already had within Isimi Lagos. One of them is when we came here for the hiking. We were able to start from the end, the beginning of this estate, down to the waterfront. I can see myself here celebrating with my colleagues. It is a very fantastic experience for many of us on that event. If you also look closely, you can see that even when we had the Sensible Lagos Lab from the team from MIT, they were also here. You could also see the pictures here. You could also see the hiking experience, the helipad experience, and also the polo experience that was done at the Polo Club in Victoria Island. So these are just few of the experiences many persons have already shared, the memories we all had about this project, when this project came into life, and what is still being able to introduce to us now. The future is very bright for investors who have invested into Isimi Lagos. And just like the experiences and the futures and the memories we've all shared within Isimi Lagos, this is what subscribers, investors, property owners within Isimi Lagos are also going to be experiencing in the shortest time period. The project has just kicked off, and we are excited to welcome you to this open day today so that you can be able to experience for yourself exactly what life would be for those of you who have already secured your future right within this. So, from this side of the Experience Center, I can have a great view of this estate, the future of Isimi Lagos. Fantastic view. So, what we are only reminding you is not to miss this opportunity that most of the people here are looking forward to. The opportunity to own a property in one of the locations that is going to be the most expensive locations here within Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, Banana Island is topping the charts right now and so many residential locations. But Isimi Lagos is introducing something that has not been introduced before in Nigeria or West Africa, which is the wellness center experience, the tech hub, the amphitheater, the golf course, the polo, the marina, the restaurant. These are many experiences that many people are going to enjoy when they locate themselves within this estate. Yes, we could say that this property has actually become quite unreachable for so many of you. But if you are the 1% of the 1% of the 1%, then you should know that this is a fantastic location for you. Imagine the view. Great, right? This is what the experience will be like when you secure your future here within Isimi Lagos. Come on, come on. Can't you see quality? Can't you see excellence? Can't you see beauty aesthetics here at play at Isimi Lagos? Just look at this fantastic welcome center here at Isimi Lagos. It's so beautiful. It's that kind of welcome center where you are confident to tell your friends and your families, oh, come and see me here. This is amazing, I tell you. And this is what Isimi Lagos is all about. Isimi Lagos is that luxury property that cannot. Isimi Lagos is that luxury property that beats every other right now in Lagos. From what is happening, from the project ongoing here, from the plan for the future of this estate, this is going to be a fantastic location. Earlier in my video, you saw that we already had the Tesla here. The electric charging dock was here. You also saw that some months ago we had our helicopter landed here at the helipad within the city. And another fantastic feature of this property is the fact that this property is also facing the lagoon, which is just opposite the proposed Lekki International Airport. So that means with a boat from Isimi to the airport, it is just less than 10 minutes, you are there at the proposed Lekki International Airport. So that means investors, subscribers who have already secured their future here hadn't made any mistake, I tell you. In fact, they are looking forward to more experiences that will be brought here, and work has already commenced because the road construction leading you from here down to the marina is right underway right now, and that is what we're talking about. Yes, 1 year ago it took a lot of time to come up with all of this, but I tell you, the essence is that quality is of essence here. We do not want to do something that after doing it and you come here and you see it and you say, oh, this was not done properly well. I'm sure you know that quality takes time to build. And of course, excellence is one of the mantra that this developer, Landway, has always stood on. And that is what we're experiencing here today. And for you amazing investors out there thinking right now, oh, this young man saying all of these beautiful things about this estate, how do I get involved with it? It is very simple. All you need to secure any of the clusters we have here, standard, premium, luxury, all you need to start is just a down payment of 30%, and you can spread your balance across 12 months with zero interest fee. So there's no interest on if you're deciding to spread your payments across 12 months. And I tell you, all you need to start is just 30%. If you're going for the standard plot, like I said before, 200 square meters here is going for 40 million naira. When you multiply that by 200,000 per square meter within this estate. So also when you multiply that by 300 square meters, it's going to give you 60 million naira. And if you are going for 500 square meters, that is going to give you 100 million naira for the standard plot. And for premium plots, is going for 300,000 per square meter. And for the luxury plots, properties that are going to be in the most strategic location of this city, is going for 400,000 per per square meter. Multiply that by either 500 square meter or 1000 square meters for you to be able to have a picture of what we're talking about. Yes, we know that the current highest selling property within Lagos right now is Banana Island and other estates in other strategic locations within Lagos. But I tell you for real, Isimi Lagos is going to be on the top chart because all you can find in those locations are not located here in Isimi Lagos. Isimi Lagos is offering you everything in one: the polo turf, the golf course, the marina, the restaurant, the farm shop, the wellness center, great town for the elderly and those who are ready to retire, clinic, sensible lab, technology-driven tech schools. So many fantastic facilities, world-class facilities are going to be located here in Isimi Lagos. You can find that in Banana Island or even in Lakwe Lake and Golf. This is one of the difference why Isimi Lagos is going to top the chart, because when all of these futures are in play here, when this estate is fully activated by 2030, then you should know that you are missing something on your investment portfolio. So all you need to do right now is to call the numbers right there on your phone. Call the numbers right there on the screen, and also reach out to us via email at montourproperties@gmail.com. We can help you make this transaction a hassle-free experience. That is why I'm here. That is why I'm here to help you, to guide you, to see you through, for you to make that wonderful, amazing investment decision right here at Isimi Lagos. So I continue to look out for opportunities like this and also introduce you to the amazing experience that we've had today. Thank you to Landway. Thank you to our investors who made it possible for us to be here. And also thank you for those of you who are just stopping by our channel for the first time to see what is happening here at Isimi Lagos. Until we meet you in another of our videos, thank you very much for joining us at the open house experience here at Isimi Lagos. Welcome to our welcome center, and this is going to be a fantastic place for you to visit. So I look forward for you stopping by for inspection anytime soon. Until we see you in our next video. Ciao.